Look what God gave her, how perfect He made her. She walks in the room, it's like He answered my prayers. The way that she moves, how could anybody blame her? I know she's got haters, but it ain't her fault. Look what God gave her. Hey everybody, this is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons, and today I'm going to teach you how to play Look What God Gave Her by Thomas Rhett. So, very easy song. The strumming pattern is going to be the only part most likely that trips you up, okay? So, real quick to everyone who has subscribed already, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. I'm getting a lot more subscribers lately, so thank you guys a lot. Also, to those of you who are watching this video for the first time, or you've seen some of my videos but haven't subscribed, I'd ask that you do just if you find it useful so that you can get notified when I come out with new videos, okay? And new tutorials for you. I come out with new videos just about every day. So, in fact, I think I've missed 4 out of the last, actually maybe not even that, 4 out of the last 65, 70 days. So I've come out with videos every day except for those 4. So if you want to learn a lot of new songs on the guitar, I'm your guy, okay? So let's get into it. So the chord progression is going to start with A minor 7. And if you don't know that, it's A minor, but you lift off your middle finger, or your ring finger, sorry. So it's going to be, all right, so you can put your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the D string, okay? And then you're also going to put your pointer finger down on the 1st fret on the B string, okay? So that's how that sounds. All right, then you're going to go to G, all right? It's very easy. It's much easier if you go to this G, in my opinion. Okay, you can do this G, you're welcome to do either one, but I think it's easier to switch from A minor 7 to this G, okay? Then you're going to do a very easy one, which is you're going to take off every finger except for your middle finger, and you're just going to do E minor 7. Sorry to flip you off a little bit. Okay, so you're going to do E minor 7. It's just your middle finger, or any finger, but that one's already there, on the 2nd fret on the A string. Okay, then next you're going to do D. Just like that. Okay. All right. So now and that's how it plays the entire way through the song. Okay. So now for the strumming pattern. So remember that's A minor 7 G, E minor 7 D, A minor 7 G, E minor 7 D. Okay. You're gonna play that over and over and over throughout the song. So. And when you play, and the strumming pattern for this, before I go into anything else, is going to be down, up, mute, okay? Down, up, mute, down, up, mute, down, up, mute, down, up, mute. Okay, so you're doing down, up, mute the entire time. However, the timing of it's what's going to be a little bit tricky, so I'm going to try and walk you through this. Try and play it with me if you need to, okay? So down, up, mute, 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 down, up, mute. Down, up, mute, 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 down, up, mute. And I'll do it one more time, but I'm just going to say the chords this time. So it's going to be A minor 7 G, E minor 7 D, A minor 7 G, E minor 7 D. Okay, just like that. And you're just going to play that over and over. Now, where do you play? How many times do you play before you go into things? So the intro is you're gonna play through that twice. Okay, so you'll do A minor 7 G, E minor 7 D. And you do it a second time. Okay, then you're gonna go to the verse. I'm just gonna walk you through a couple lines of the verse, and that's gonna be it. Okay, so it's gonna be. Don't even want the attention, but yeah, that's all that she's getting her right. Let's see. Her song is spinning around, spinning around. She got me drunk like Corona, heart racing like it's Daytona. Ooh, I'm in heaven, I swear right now. Okay, then that's how you play that through. Sorry, I messed up a little bit, but that's how you play that through. So that'll help you a little bit with the timing and stuff. Now for the chorus, right before you get to the chorus, when you do was designed to blow my mind. You're just gonna stop after E minor 7, and you're gonna go, my mind. Okay, and then you're gonna stop and go, look what God gave her. Okay, look what God gave her. So you start on gave. That's where you start with the A minor 7. Look what God gave her, how perfect He made her. She walks in the room, it's like He answered my prayers. The way that she moves, how could anybody nobody blame her. I know she's got haters, but it ain't her fault. Look what God gave her. Okay, then you play through it twice after you go from the chorus to the next verse, okay? So just remember, one thing you want to do is you want to play it louder during the chorus than you do for the verses. So for the verses, you could just, and I'm using my thumb, you can use a pick, whatever. I think it's easier to play things softer and louder if you use your thumb, but it's up to you guys. Do whatever you're comfortable with. So it's going to be like a little bit softer would be like, see, I'm just not hitting it as hard. And then when you go to the chorus, you'd go, oh, look what God gave her, how perfect He made her. She walks in the room, it's like He answered my prayers. Okay, so notice it's just a lot louder, okay? So that's the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments, any comments for me. If there's other songs you would like for me to teach next, please add them as a comment down there and let me know. Yeah, it's been a lot of fun, guys. So I'll see you guys soon.